Hello everyone, thank you for stopping by and welcome to beautiful state of Washington. Check it out guys, it's winter, it's cold and my nose is red, look like a Santa. But anyway, today I'm gonna reveal new color for my 645, the project car that I lately working on. Here we go. Check this out guys, look at that color. Whoo! Light blue BMW 6 Series. Look at that spoiler. Look at that. It looks so good on that car. Check it out. Oh my goodness. Hey guys, don't forget to like, share. Check this out guys. Black headlights, tinted corner lights, black roof. Look at that, look at that. Black windows, tinted windows, silver wheels. It looks, look at that. It looks so good.
This color, I can't get over it.
Comment below, what do you think this radiator for? Right there. Let me know what you think. Look at that. That looks so legit. Take a closer look to the spoiler, guys. Check it out. Looks good. Design and style of the spoiler is just perfectly fit to this car. And guys, make sure you like, share and subscribe and click that little bell so you can get notification of new video when they come out.
McLaren P1 owners, R.I.P. So obviously this is the thumbnail. We got to get both doors open up. Of course the Ford GT has the butterfly doors, Riviera blue. What a spec, what a spec.